I score full marks in the Infosys Springboard Programming Fundamentals using Python Part 2 assessment. And if you also want full marks, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I am sharing the exact answer to the Programming Fundamentals using Python Part 2 assessment. No explanations, no confusion, just direct correct answers. So watch the video till the end and make sure you don't miss any question. Let's get started. What is the output of the below code snippet? Correct answer is option 3. Choose the statement which are correct with respect to the below Python code. Choose 3 correct options. Correct answer is option 1, option 3 and option 4. What is the output of the below code snippet? Correct answer is option 1. What is the output of the below code snippet? Correct answer is option 1. Consider the below given Python code. Which among the following test data when passed to function func will cover the code written in line 6? Choose 2 correct options. Correct answer is option 2 and option 4. Consider the below Python code. From the given options, identify the function's calls which would return the value 25. Choose 2 correct options. Correct answer is option 3 and option 4. What would be the output of the below Python code? Correct answer is option 2. Consider the below given Python code. Identify the line numbers that will be covered when the function func is evoked using the below test data. Correct answer is option 1. What is the output of the below code snippet? Correct answer is option 2. What would be the output of the below Python code? Correct answer is option C. What is the output of the below code snippet? Correct answer is option 1. Consider the below given Python code. From the given options, identify the function calls which would result in the same value. Choose 2 correct options. Correct answer is option 1 and option 4. So we have solved all the questions. Now let's finish the assessment. Here you can see I have scored full marks in the Infosys Springboard Programming Fundamentals using Python Part 2 assessment. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. I will be uploading more Infosys Springboard assessment solution videos very soon. Thanks for watching and all the best for your certification.